Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into the EG Start Sim Racing Wheel Stand Desk Mount, a heavy-duty desk clamp designed for serious sim racing enthusiasts. This mount promises a whopping 480-pound clamping force, making it one of the most secure options available for attaching your racing wheel and accessories to a desk. With reinforced metal construction and carefully engineered mounting points, it minimizes vibration and keeps your setup stable even during intense racing sessions. Whether you're hitting sharp corners or accelerating hard on the straights, this mount ensures your wheel stays exactly where it should. One of the standout features of this mount is its universal compatibility. It's designed to work with a broad range of popular racing wheels and shifters, including Logitech models. While the wheel and shifter aren't included, the mount itself accommodates almost all mainstream brands, making it a versatile addition to any sim racing setup. The EG Starts mount is fully adjustable to fit desk panels ranging from 0 to 2.95 inches thick. The steering wheel and shifter positions can be fine-tuned up to 5.5 inches up or down, and you can switch the shifter installation between left or right sides. This flexibility allows users to find the most comfortable and performance-oriented driving position, whether you prefer an aggressive racing stance or a more relaxed setup. Another practical aspect is its expansion capabilities. The panel comes with multiple pre-drilled holes compatible with mainstream racing wheel brands. But even if your setup doesn't perfectly align, the mount can be easily customized with a drill. This makes it possible to DIY your perfect racing cockpit, adjusting positions exactly to your preference. At just under 6 pounds and measuring 12.6 by 7.5 by 2 inches, this mount is compact but robust. It's built to last and designed to handle the rigors of long racing sessions. Its solid construction ensures that every turn, brake, and throttle input feels precise, adding to the realism of your driving experience. The EG Starts Sim Racing Wheel Stand Desk Mount is an ideal solution for those looking to upgrade from a flimsy or unstable setup. It delivers stability, versatility, and customization in one package, transforming any desk into a serious racing cockpit. If you want an immersive, professional-quality racing experience without investing in a full cockpit rig, this mount is definitely worth considering. Check it out today on Amazon and see how it can take your sim racing to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews like this.